In 2011, the Royal Netherlands Air Force marked its entire fleet of 17 as 532 Cougar transport helicopters for immediate liquidation, stripping 5 airframes for spare parts and leaving the rest exposed and defenseless in deep storage. Yet today, this exact medium utility aircraft remains the operational backbone of the Dutch Special Operations Forces, defying every defense budget cut in NATO history. When severe economic austerity threatened to leave the nation completely powerless in airborne mobility, military planners faced an absolute tactical crisis. On paper, their only tactical salvation was to extend the service life of a Cold War-era workhorse that was originally doomed for the scrapyard. How did a platform slated for total destruction transform into an indispensable asset capable of flying low-level insertion missions until 2030? Before we go on, what is your favorite military helicopter of all time? And tell me where you are watching from. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to support the channel. Originally acquired between 1996 and 1998, the Dutch AS532 U2 Cougar Mark II was built for heavy-duty utility operations. Powered by twin Safran Makilla, one of 2 turboshaft engines producing over 1,800 horsepower each, the aircraft boasts a maximum takeoff weight of 9,750 kilograms and a top speed of 315 kilometers per hour. With an operational range exceeding 800 kilometers, its spacious cabin safely accommodates 20 fully equipped combat troops. While newer, stealthier platforms look superior on paper, leading global defense analysts argue that the raw mechanical reliability and versatile medium frame of the Cougar made it uniquely suited for extreme low-altitude environments. That proven resilience is precisely why this veteran airframe refused to fade away when the armed forces needed it most. The primary catalyst behind the sudden revival of the Dutch AS532 Cougar was the catastrophic operational failure of its designated successor, the NH-90. The Netherlands had originally procured 20 NH-90 naval frigate helicopters to replace its aging transport fleets. However, severe maritime corrosion, technical glitches, and chronic maintenance delays crippled the platform. Operating costs exploded past 15,000 euros per flight hour, while operational readiness rates plummeted below 40%. Leading global defense analysts argue that the fragile NH-90 proved far too complex and financially draining to risk in harsh, land-based tactical deployments. At the same time, the heavy transport CH47F Chinook posed a completely different tactical dilemma for military planners. Boasting a maximum takeoff weight of 22,680 kilograms, the massive twin-rotor Chinook generates immense downwash. During urban insertions or fast rope operations onto small naval vessels, the violent turbulence from the rotors risks capsizing rubber-raiding craft and endangering ground operators. On paper, their only tactical salvation for delicate high-risk operations was a versatile medium-weight platform. This created a severe capability gap that only the AS532 Cougar could bridge. With a compact main rotor diameter of 16.2 meters and a manageable maximum takeoff weight of 9,750 kilograms, the Cougar could maneuver through tight landing zones that were completely inaccessible to the Chinook. Its lower operating costs and proven mechanical simplicity allowed flight crews to master low-level night insertions under 15 meters without draining the national defense budget. When the modern fleet stumbled, The battle-tested Cougar emerged as the only airframe capable of guaranteeing continuous air mobility for elite forces. To fully exploit this newfound tactical necessity, the Dutch Ministry of Defense initiated a comprehensive modernization program to transform the AS532 Cougar into a dedicated special operations asset. Contracting with Airbus helicopters and aerospace maintenance specialists Heli-1, the Air Force executed a thorough cockpit upgrade. The obsolete analog gauges were completely removed and replaced with a modern glass cockpit featuring digital multifunction displays. This glass cockpit integrated night vision goggle compatibility, secure have-quick 2 satellite communications, and advanced missile approach warning systems, allowing aircrews to execute low-altitude insertion missions in total darkness. The mechanical muscle of the aircraft remained equally formidable. Driven by 2 Safran Makilla, 2 turboshaft engines generating 1,845 shaft horsepower each, the upgraded Cougar boasts an external sling load capacity of 4,500 kilograms. This lifting capability allows the airframe to deploy heavy equipment or carry a 2,500-liter Bambi bucket for emergency aerial firefighting. A domestic civil defense role, the fleet demonstrated extensively during European forest fire crises. The strategic evolution of the airframe culminated in October 2024, when the Royal Netherlands Air Force officially converted 300 Squadron at Gilze Rijen Air Base into a dedicated Special Operations Squadron. Customized with dual high-speed hoists and door-mounted FN MAG 7.62mm machine guns for suppressive fire, the 12 upgraded Cougars became the exclusive airborne platform for the Corps Commandotroepen and Netherlands Maritime Special Operations Forces. On paper, their only tactical salvation for high-risk commando insertions was this resurrected medium transport. Instead of heading to the scrapyard, the veteran aircraft proved that targeted digital upgrades could transform a Cold War design into a lethal instrument for modern special warfare. While the modernized AS532 Cougar dominates special operations today, its service life is drawing toward an honorable finale. In November 2024, at Euronaval in Paris, the Dutch Ministry of Defense formally signed a contract with Airbus helicopters to procure 12 H225M Caracal helicopters. Valued at over 1.5 billion euros, this procurement secures the long-term replacement for the aging fleet. To guarantee that no capability gap emerges before the Caracal deliveries begin in 2028, the Netherlands Aerospace Center signed a research and technology agreement with Airbus helicopters in October 2025. This initiative conducts advanced fatigue testing on the airframe structures, ensuring the 12 active Cougars can safely log another 10,000 to 15,000 flight hours up to 2030. This extended service life holds vital geopolitical importance. By keeping the Cougar operational, the Netherlands maintains an uninterrupted airborne capability for NATO Very High Readiness Joint Task Force missions across Eastern Europe. Leading global defense analysts argue that, on paper, their only tactical salvation during this strategic transition was preserving a flight-proven medium transport rather than rushing unproven technology into service. The remarkable story of the Dutch Cougar offers a profound lesson for modern defense planners. In an era obsessed with billion-dollar stealth concepts and experimental digital platforms, the most effective weapon is not always the newest or most expensive. The most effective weapon is the one that is mechanically reliable, economically sustainable, and ready to launch when crisis strikes. You think the Netherlands made the right choice selecting the H225M Caracal over the American-built MH-60M Black Hawk for their future Special Forces missions? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.